Hello, welcome to us Power Card, and in this video I will show you how to design a hidden roof in Revit. So before I start, I have to check my levels before I start with the roof. So I'll just open my south view from the project browser. So I will check the south. So this is my south and the secret roofing. I have to change this roofing level to a slab because the roofing, you will cast a concrete maybe 450, which is offsetted to the interior of the walls 450. Then we add some course at the external wall and also at the internal where the slab ends. We also add a course over there, which can be 1 or 2 course. Then at the internal part where the roof is or where the course is, that's where we add the roof. So I'll just change my roof level to a slab. So would you like to rename? Okay, yes, I'll correspond to the. If you select no, the slab will not appear at the project browser where the levels name are. It will not appear there. So just choose yes. Then I'll also add another levels. So I'll add more levels. So I'll just add one here, which is 225. Enter. Then I'll rename this as my roof. Roof level. I'll also select yes. Then I'll also add another level from this slab. Let me see, or let me add it from the roof. 750. It will be around here. Let me place it here. Then make this one as a parapet. Level. So this is my slab, this is my roof level, and also my parapet. So I'll start with the slab. So I'll open my slab, double click. Let me check if anything has hidden. Okay, nothing is hidden here. Okay, then I'll underlay. Let me underlay the first floor. Okay, so this is it. So I'll just pick the floor from architecture. Okay, floor. Then I will select a line from this draw box. Okay, I will select a line from this draw box. Then I will start from this external wall. I'll draw a line around it. Then I'll also pick the pick lines. Then I'll change the offset to 450. Then I'll pick these lines. I'll pick them internal. Then after that, I'll have to trim. I'll trim all these. All right. So I'll just finish mode. Finish. Then I'll attach. Then I'll detach the target. Okay. All right. So this will be the slab. This slab. So let me open this out again. So the slab is here. This slab. So we have to add our course at the roof level. So I'll open the roof level. Then I'll select wall. My wall is a curtain wall, so I have to change it to the basic or generic. I'll check my wall thickness whether it's 200 or okay. So my wall I've been using is 200. So yours must be 150. Okay. So I'll change this one. I'll duplicate this one and make it 150. Then I'll select OK. Then OK. Then I'll come to location line. I'll change the wall center line to finish face interior. I'll select that one. Then I'll start from here. I'll create. Before I create, let me check the top constraint. So your top constraint is at parapet. It's at parapet. So I have to start that course from the slab so that it will end at the roof. So I'll go to the slab, then I'll select wall. Then I'll check the top constraint that is at roof level. Okay, it is at roof level. Then I'll start from here. Make sure the location line is at finish face interior. I'll click. So draw the line at where the slab ends at the internal part. Okay. So it should be like this. Let's continue. So the next thing, I'll open my roof level. Let me check my underlay. I'll underlay my slab and check whether okay. I'll underlay my slab so that I can see the wall, which I'll be using it to create the roof. So I'll just select my roof. I will make sure it is a pick walls. The overhang, I'll change it from 600 to 100. Then I'll pick these walls. Okay. So the slope, I have to change the slope. So I'll select or I'll highlight all the lines. Then I'll change the slope to let me 5 degrees. Apply. Okay, then I have to choose where my slope should go, either at the back or should fall at the back or at the left, at the right. So let me say I want my slope to fall this way. It should fall this way to this wall. So let me check. Let me do it this way. Let me uncheck this slope. I'll uncheck the define slope from here. I'll uncheck. Then I'll finish mode. So my slope is going this way. So I have to bring it down small, the roof. Yes, so the slope will change. So my slope have changed to, let me check. My slope have changed to 2.13 degrees. Okay. So the water will slope to that direction, to slope this way. Let me reduce it some more. All right. Then let me move it upwards a little bit. Okay, let me check it now. It's at 2.24. Okay, let's leave it like that. But in case we are designing, you have to decide for your slope. The slope is not constant. The slope is not constant. So I'll just, so right now the space left over here, I have to fill this one. So just place your mouse pointer here. Please, I want everyone to follow this trick. This trick is not everyone who knows this trick. Okay, just place your mouse pointer here, then press the tab key. It will select all the walls. Then you click, left click, select. Then it will select all the walls. Then you check at the top here, attach top base. Then you select that one. Then you select the roof so that the walls will attach to the roof. So let me just create my roof members, then I'll create the parapet. So I'll just select this roof. The same steps for the roof creation. I'll copy. I'll paste at the same place. I'll change my base offset. Let me change my base offset to 200. Then I'll select this roof at the top. I'll change it to my slope glazing because I've done it already. I'll just change it to this. So I have to increase the base offset. Let me increase it to 200. Okay, so there is it. The next thing to do is to create the parapet wall. So I'll just open the slab level. The slab level is here. Then I will select wall. Then I'll check my top constraint to parapet level. Then I'll change the location line to the wall center line. Then I'll start with the wall. Okay, wall. My external wall is 200, so I have to change it to 200. So draw the wall through the external walls. This is the roof. How to create the hidden roofing. So the next thing to do here is to create the coping at the top. So with the coping, I will check my level. So I'll open the parapet. Then I'll underlay. I'll underlay my roof level. Okay. Then I'll go to architecture component. The component is CM. So just select the component. You come to here, model in place. Then you choose the casework. Select the casework. Then OK. Select OK. Then you go to the create. You select the sweep. Okay, so you select the sketch path. Then I'll draw my path. So I'll start from here. Let me go this way, and I'll draw my path all the way around. Okay, like this. Then I'll finish mode. Then I'll go to edit profile. I'll open the east. Open the east. Then I'll change my the view. Let me change it to wireframe so that I can see the walls. Then I'll create my design 300 this way. I'll start from here. I'll go up 40. Then I'll choose the arc. I'll click, then select any. So my angle is at 125. I'll click, then this is my angle. I'll select the line, then I'll go up 40. So instead of drawing the same thing at this place, just mirror. So I'll highlight all these except the baseline. Then I'll choose the mirror with the draw axis. Then I'll come to this center. I'll select, then either draw the line upwards or downwards. So I'll choose anyone, either upwards it will work, either downwards it will work. Just select, it will come this way. Then you select line to join it. So this will be our design. So just finish mode. Okay, so lines must be enclosed. So it means that there are some lines which is more than 8 length, so I have to trim some part of these lines. So I'll select the trim. I'll check from here whether it can be trimmed. Okay, I'll trim here. Okay, then finish mode. I also finish mode again. So can't create soup. Okay, so I have to cancel, then I'll move it to, I'll select one, then I'll choose the edit profile, then I'll highlight this, then I'll move. Let me clear this one. Most of you will come across this fault, but this one is the difference in version. There are some versions it will allow you to create it at any part, but this 23 version, unless you move it to this reference point over here. So bear it in mind that you are working with the 23 version. You create it at the reference point where it is, or you can choose to create it here. When you are done, then you move it to this point. So I'll move it there. Then I'll place it here. So I'll finish mode again. So have you seen that it has created it? So in case you place it here, your version will allow you. Maybe you are using 2018 or some later version, it will allow you, but the new version there are some improvement. You have to create at the reference plane. Okay, just finish mode, then I'll check. So this is it. This is it. And the next thing here to do is to add some extrusion. So let me add one extrusion component again. I will use shortcut to go there. Component, model in place, generic model, select OK. Then you select extrusion. I'll pick a plane. I'll pick this side. I'll start from here. Comes down this way. I'll also draw a line 300. Then I'll come down this way. Let me extend it to the ground. Then finish mode. So I'll just pull it to the right direction. Then I'll finish mode. So I'll also add another one at the top here. So I'll go to the component, model in place, generic, select OK, go to the create, select extrusion, pick a plane. I'll pick this face, then I'll go to the front. I'll select this rectangle, then I'll create it this way. Then just finish mode. Okay, so it will be this way. Then finish mode. Okay, so this is how it is.